All natural menopause remedies. Menopause is the end of a woman's menstrual cycle and the natural fall of female reproductive hormone production. It generally begins in your 40s or 50s. Hot flashes, vaginal dryness, chills, night sweats, weight gain, irregular periods, labile emotions, reduced sex desire, poor sleep, bone loss, headaches, anxiety, and melancholy are all common menopausal symptoms. Here are some of the most often used herbs and supplements for managing menopausal symptoms. Black cohosh is a blooming plant native to North America's eastern regions. It's most commonly used to relieve night sweats and hot flashes caused by menopause. Red clover is a legume family herbaceous flowering plant. It's high in isoflavones, which work similarly to estrogen and may aid with symptoms related with menopause's decreased estrogen production. Hot flashes, nocturnal sweats, and bone loss are all common menopausal symptoms that red clover is used to treat. Female ginseng, also known as donkey, is an Asian plant related to celery, carrots, and parsley. Traditional Chinese medicine regularly uses donkey to enhance women's health and alleviate symptoms linked with PMS and menopause. Using donkey in conjunction with other herbs, including red clover, black cohosh, and chamomile has been found to significantly reduce hot flashes and night sweats. Evening primrose oil is made from the seeds of the evening primrose plant. Menopause symptoms such as hot flashes and bone loss are commonly treated with this blooming plant and its seed oil. The most effective way to prevent bone loss in pre- and postmenopausal women is to take a calcium supplement with evening primrose oil, calcium, and omega-3 supplement. Maca, like broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts, is a Peruvian vegetable that belongs to the brassica family. It's been used in traditional folk medicine for generations to treat physical diseases including anemia, infertility, hormone imbalances, and menopausal symptoms. Isoflavones, which are chemically similar to the hormone estrogen and may have modest estrogenic effects in your body, are abundant in soybeans. A decrease in estrogen production is linked to several typical menopausal symptoms. As a result of its estrogen-like qualities, soy helps ease symptoms. Flax seeds, often known as linseed, are an excellent natural source of lignans. The molecular structures and actions of these plant chemicals are comparable to those of the hormone estrogen. Flax is used to treat menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes and bone loss because of its estrogen-like properties. Ginseng is one of the most popular herbal medicines worldwide. It's been used in Chinese medicine to improve immunological function, heart health, and even energy levels. There are other varieties, but Korean red ginseng is the most well-studied in terms of menopause. Korean red ginseng bolsters sex drive and improves mood and general sense of well-being in menopausal women. Valerian is a flowering plant whose roots are used to produce relaxation and tranquility in a range of herbal medicine methods. Valerian is a herb that is sometimes referred to as nature's Valium and is used to treat menopausal symptoms including sleeplessness and hot flashes. A combination of valerian and lemon balm is significantly more effective at improving sleep quality in most menopausal women. See our previous video on valerian, all-natural sleep aid for more information on valerian. The medicinal plant chasteberry is native to Asia and the Mediterranean. It has traditionally been used to treat infertility, menstrual abnormalities, PMS, and menopausal symptoms. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.